Bitachon be'Hashem, the confidence in HaKadosh Baruch Hu, is to help us earn the Yeshuat Hashem, earn the salvation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. How do we earn it? By continuing to believe that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is going to help us, even though our whole world looks dark, Hashem Yachem. So what does it mean, Yeshuat Hashem Kerefine, that the salvation of Hashem comes in the blink of the eye? That by the time the salvation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu comes, by the time it arrives in your life, and the way that HaKadosh Baruch Hu will bring it to your life, you'll see that first and foremost, it's not what you thought. That's the first thing. It's not the type of salvation that you thought you were going to get. You thought you were going to get an X amount of money. He gave you something completely different. He gave you the salvation, but it wasn't through the solution that you thought. Why? Machshavotay lo machshavotechem. Hashem doesn't think like you. So when He brings you the salvation, you know it's from Him because you know that salvation is very different than you wanted, very different than how you wanted, but also it's so extraordinary, it's so beautiful, it's so amazing, it's so overwhelming. It's as if the whole thing happened in a blink of the eye. It's almost like you forgot all the struggle that you had over the last few months, or few days, or few years, waiting for this salvation. Pitom, you're healthy. Suddenly, you're good. Like suddenly, it doesn't hurt anymore. Suddenly, there's no losses. Suddenly, there is nothing missing in the bank anymore. Suddenly, the zivug is like you're already married with 2 kids. You can't believe it. You never thought you were going to find somebody, let alone have somebody, and then have kids and so on. And suddenly, the whole salvation is here, and it's almost like a blink of an eye. It's like just yesterday I was crying because I didn't have this, I didn't have this, I didn't have this. Hashem, please help me, please help me, please help me. All of a sudden, you have more than what you want. That's Yeshuat Hashem. That's the salvation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu.